What's up, everybody? My name is Alec and I own a DoorDash restaurant. We just finished our wildest week yet. Running a DoorDash unit is pure insanity. This week we almost hit 5,000 in sales, but gross revenue means absolutely nothing. So after all of our expenses, how much money did I actually take home? At the end of this video, I will share with you exactly how much money my restaurant made me this week. Plus, I want to share one thing that happened that absolutely was devastating. So first things first, let's look at the numbers. We have $4,997 in sales, only $3 away from the big 5,000, which is absolutely incredible. We had 237 completed orders this week, coming out to be around $21 for an average ticket price. So unfortunately, we are not part of the most loved group right now. We have a target of 3% of inaccuracies, and right now we're at 3.4%. We're very close for the month, but at the moment we are not part of the most loved group, which is essentially what you have to hit for DoorDash to bump your restaurant from the bottom of the app up towards the top, and in return you get a lot more customers. So after examining this week, if you notice on Monday it was very slow, and there is a huge reason why this took place. It's a huge factor on why we did not hit $5,000. I was scrolling through the app wondering why we were so slow, and there was a glitch in the system where we were actually taken off of DoorDash. So for about 6 hours of being open, we were not receiving any type of orders, which was absolutely insane. It was devastating, but it's a learning process while dealing with the app. So on Monday we did lose out on 6 hours of potential clients, but our weekends made up in sales. Both Friday and Saturday we were looking close to $1,000 both days. That is definitely where we're maximizing on our sales. From about 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. we do about 98% of those sales. So it's definitely very interesting on what we can do to improve, to maximize on the opportunity, maybe some of the other weeks of the day. But sales don't pay bills. Expenses will sink you if you ignore them. Food cost and total operating was $1,750 for the week. This includes the product that we do bring in from US Foods, the ingredients, the packaging, the condiments, all that good stuff. On top of it, our utilities. So how much did we actually bring home for the week? Our total sales was $4,997. We had $1,750 in expenses, so a total profit of $3,247 for this week. It was a great week. Definitely some stuff that we could work on to maximize on profits next week, but we're very happy with the success that we had this week. If you enjoyed this video and this transparency, I am going to be sharing a week-to-week update of my restaurant and what takes place. If you want to stay tuned, please join the ride. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know what other kind of videos you want. I'm going to be making some passive incomes, way to make websites, various videos like that. Like I said, my name is Alec. I have been running restaurants for many years now. I have about 15 years in the restaurant industry, along with 3 years in retail management. So if there's any questions you have in regards to managing a certain type of business, please leave those below. Y'all have a blessed day, and thank you for tuning in.